Hey guys, how's it going? Sam from FiStar. Just showing you guys how to add a transponder key to your vehicle. This is a new key that was cut, factory cut. I cut it here. Original cuts. This is a wasted key, original key. So this key is not going to start the car. See, doesn't do nothing because the lock is on. Security lock. There we go. So now this is original key. The customers call me because they have trouble turning it because there's wear. Hold on. There we go. Let me put this on right because it's giving me trouble with stupid plastic. Okay, so right there the truck is on. Gotta move it around. So this is how you add a key, a second key. You put the key in, turn it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn it off, put the new key in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take it out. Put the other key back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now it should start right away. There you go, programmed. You see how easy that new key just goes in, turns. Old key goes in. You gotta, mess with it. See? Alright guys, thank you.